Cilantro, a herb that divides kitchens, tastes, and even entire cultures. Loved for its zesty freshness by some, dreaded for its soapy flavor by others, it's a plant that has woven itself into the fabric of global cuisine for thousands of years. Cilantro, a herb with a divided reputation, has been a culinary staple for centuries, cherished by some and despised by others. Its vibrant green leaves are prized in various cuisines, offering a unique burst of flavor that balances warmth and earthiness with a fresh, slightly citrusy tang. However, for those whose taste buds are sensitive to a specific gene, cilantro's flavor is more akin to soap than a refreshing herb. This distinct taste comes from aldehydes, organic compounds also found in soap and some other foods, which gives cilantro its divisive nature. Its role in the kitchen, however, remains undeniably significant. Often sprinkled over dishes like tacos, curries, or salads, cilantro brings a necessary brightness, even in spicy or rich foods, where its sharpness contrasts with the depth of other ingredients. Beyond its flavor, cilantro's history dates back thousands of years to ancient civilizations. The herb is believed to have originated in regions of the Mediterranean and has spread across the globe, from Europe to the Americas and Asia. In ancient Egypt, it was used for both culinary and medicinal purposes, appearing in the tombs of pharaohs as a symbol of health. The herb also held medicinal value in many cultures, believed to alleviate symptoms of digestive discomfort and promote overall well-being. In Greek and Roman times, cilantro was used to add flavor to their dishes and was even thought to be a love potion. Cilantro's seeds, known as coriander, also have their own culinary and medicinal uses, often ground into a spice that adds depth to dishes like garam masala and various spice blends. The cultivation of cilantro requires careful attention to its growth habits. Unlike many other herbs, cilantro has a relatively short lifespan, often bolting, producing flowers and seeds, after a few weeks of growth. Its delicate nature means it thrives in cooler temperatures but can easily be overtaken by heat. Gardeners who seek to harvest fresh cilantro must carefully time its planting and manage the transition from lush foliage to seeds, which is a key moment in its life cycle. Once bolting occurs, the leaves become less desirable, as they begin to turn bitter. This makes cilantro a herb that requires timely care, offering fresh leaves only during its brief growing period, while coriander seeds, once matured, can be stored and used for months. The nutritional value of cilantro is as impressive as its flavor. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential minerals, cilantro offers several health benefits. It is rich in vitamin K, important for bone health and blood clotting, as well as vitamin A, which supports immune function. Cilantro also contains several compounds that have been shown to support detoxification processes in the body, particularly by helping to eliminate heavy metals like lead and mercury. In traditional medicine, cilantro has long been used as a remedy for ailments like indigestion, anxiety, and even infections. Its essential oils are thought to have antimicrobial properties, making it useful in treating minor skin conditions and digestive issues. Despite the polarizing flavor of cilantro, its popularity continues to rise in global cuisine. From Mexican to Indian, Thai to Middle Eastern, cilantro finds its way into an array of dishes, either as a garnish or an essential ingredient. In Mexican cuisine, it is often combined with lime and onions to create the perfect salsa, while in Indian cooking, its fresh leaves are paired with spicy chutneys, curries, and lentils. Cilantro is also an essential component in Thai cuisine, where it enhances the aromatic quality of soups, salads, and curries. As the world's food culture becomes increasingly interconnected, cilantro has transcended borders, becoming a symbol of culinary fusion and innovation. Yet, despite its widespread use, cilantro remains a herb that sparks debates. Its flavor, its origins, and its place in the kitchen continue to stir discussions. Whether you're a cilantro lover or a skeptic, this herb's remarkable journey through history, its surprising health benefits, and its unique role in flavoring dishes worldwide cannot be denied. Embrace its divisive nature and explore how it enhances the world's most beloved meals.